Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this time, we will learn how to design this part and make exploded view like this in SolidWorks. Okay, open SolidWorks, and for unit, select in millimeter gram second, and we can see again here have five part: part one, part two, part three, part four, and part five. We start for first part here. So right click on front plane, just click sketch. Now we can to draw center line from this point to top and draw line like this, and this. So we can to set for the height here in 30 millimeter this line, and this line here you can see in 25 millimeter. 25 millimeter. Okay, and we can set for diameter here, have diameter in 12. So this line to this center line, set diameter in 12 millimeter. This line to this center line have diameter in 19, and this point to this center line have diameter in 38 millimeter, like this. So we can to make like this, shape like this as our radius 22. So we can to click 3-point arc, draw from this point to this, like this. Ensure this point, click Ctrl on your keyboard and select this center line. Just click make coincident. Then we can set for radius in here in 22 millimeter, like this. So we can to click feature and click revolve boss or base. Just click yes. For axis of revolution automatically this center line. Just click OK and done. Don't forget here have a hole to insert a pin in here. Diameter in 4. So right click on right plane. Just click sketch. Draw circle in here. Ensure the center at this point. Click make vertical. Set for diameter in 4 and distance the center of circle and this in 8 millimeter. Click feature and just click extrude cut. For direction, click or select in through all both. Click OK and done like this. So we can to change for color, select all feature in here, click this icon. For first color we can to set in this color, for example. Click OK. After that we can to save this part, save as. We can give the name, for example, part 1 exercise 30 December, like this. So just click save, save as tab in part or SolidWorks parts, click save. Now we can so make another part. We click new, click part and click OK. For background we can change in plain white. We can make pen in here. For second part, just click top plane, click sketch, draw circle, set for diameter in 4 and the length in 18. So click feature, click extrude boss or base for direction in blind and for the length in 18 millimeter for them or them. Just click OK. Don't forget to set for chamfer in here in 0.5 by 45 degree. Select here and click chamfer. Click 0.5 for distance and for angle in 45 degree. Click on this edge and this edge. Click OK. We can to change for color in here. Select all feature and click this icon. Part 2 maybe we can set in this color in green. Click OK. Save part. Click save as. The name is part 2. Actually, 30 December. Now click again on the top part and click OK. Plan white, and we can to make part 3 in here. Click top plan, click sketch again, and draw circle. Draw two circle like this. Set in diameter 19 and 25. First in here in 19 and second in 25 millimeter. Click feature and just click extrude boss or base. For the length or the height in 25 millimeter. 25 millimeter, just click OK. Click and change color. Maybe in part 3 we can set the color in this color. Click OK and save this part. We click save as. Name is part 3. Click OK. Click again on top part. Click OK. Background in plain white. We can to make part 4 like this. So right click on front plane, just click sketch. Now we can to draw center line from here to here to here. Can see here outer like a roller in here have diameter in 92. So this point to this center line have diameter in 92 millimeter. Now we can to draw line like this, 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 and this. Ensure this point, click Ctrl and select this point. Just click make horizontal. Or this line, click this line. Just click make horizontal. Then we can set for here. Here have hole diameter in 25. So this line to this center line in diameter in 25 millimeter, and this to this in 38 millimeter. Then this line to this have diameter in 80. So I'm putting here in 80 millimeter. Automatically in here in 92 millimeter, and here have thickness in 6 centimeter. So this line to this center line set in 6 millimeter, and this line to this in for the thickness in here in 25. So set in here in 25 millimeter. Automatically in here in 25. So we can tell mirror entities. Edit this mirror, select this line, this line, this line, this line, select this line, this line, and this line. For mirror about, just click on this center line. Click OK. Okay, after we set all dimension like this, just click feature and click revolve boss or base. For axis of revolution, just click this center line. Click OK and done. It's easy. We can see from section view, journal in section 2 from right plane like this. Here's section view like this. Just click again on section view. So we can to change for color, click this icon. Maybe this color for part 4 in yellow. In here. Click OK. Save this part with click save as. Name is part 4. Click save. Click again on the top, click new, click part and click OK. Background in plain white, and the last we can to make part 5 like this. So select on top plan, just click sketch, draw two circle and draw center line. This center line have length in this center to this edge in 85, so set in here in 85 millimeter, and here diameter in 12 and 30. So in here in 12, here in 30. So we can draw line like this, 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 to this. Ensure this line, click Ctrl on your keyboard and select this circle, just click make tangent. Ensure this line, just click make horizontal. Okay, then for the length is as it is set in 74. This line to this center line in 74 millimeter, and for this line have thickness in 10 millimeter. It will here in 10 millimeter. So just click mirror entities, entities mirror, select this line, this line, this line, and last this line. For mirror about, just select on this center line. Click OK, like this. Now we can to connect this point to this point like this. Click feature and click extrude boss or base. For direction, change in mid plane. For selected contour, select this to make like cylinder. Thickness in 30 millimeter. For deep, just click OK. And click again on sketch 1. Click extrude boss or base. Just select this sketch and this sketch. Direction in mid plane, but thickness in 8 millimeter. Set here in 8 millimeter. Now we can to click again on sketch 1, click extrude boss or base. For direction, select the contour, just select this sketch and this sketch, but for direction, change in blind. Direction we can do reverse to bottom, but in here, this to this face have distance in 4, so from we can set on offset in 4 millimeter because thickness in 8, so a half this to this in 4. The length in here in 58 millimeter. 58 millimeter. Click OK. Now we can check in here for evaluate measure. Measure this edge in 58 millimeter. It's correct. And don't forget to set for fillet radius in 20. Click fillet radius in here in 20 millimeter on this corner edge and this corner edge. Click OK. And here have fillet radius in 8. So just like a fillet in 8 for radius on this edge and this edge. Click OK. And right click on this face, just click sketch. You make 2 hole in here, diameter in 10. So make circle, set for diameter in 10 millimeter, and we can draw center line from this center to this. This center of circle to this center line have distance in here in 45. In 45, and this circle to this edge have distance in 25 millimeter. And we can to mirror entities for this circle and mirror about, just select this center line. Click OK. Now click feature and just click extrude cut. For direction, change in true all. Click OK. And done. Now we can to make rib in here, thickness in 8 millimeter, but rib in here in round surface or cylinder surface. So we can to make rib with lofted boss or base. So first, right click on right plane, just click sketch and draw corner rectangle from this edge to this edge. Ensure this midpoint, click Ctrl and select this point, center of this part, and just click make vertical. Set for width in here in 8 millimeter because thickness in here in 8. And just click feature, click curve, click split line. For type of split, click a middle and projection and selection in current sketch. For face, just click cylinder face and just select on this face. Checklist on single direction, just click direction to here, so we can to reverse direction. Just click OK. Now we can see we have this face and this face. Just click lofted boss or base in the menu in the left in here. Loft profile. Just select on this face and select on this face. Phase 1 and phase 2. Now we can see we have two green point. Adjust position to green point. We can left click and hold adjust position like this. This to this. Click OK and done. It's easy. So don't forget to make hole in here diameter 4, distance 8. So right click on front plane, just click sketch, draw circle, ensure this point to this center, click back vertical, set for distance this center of circle to this in 8 millimeter and diameter in 4. Click feature and click extrude cut. Direction change in through all above. Click OK and done. Don't forget to make shape like this. Right click on this face, click sketch and draw corner rectangle from this edge to this. Ensure for this midpoint, click Ctrl on your keyboard and select this center. Click make horizontal. Set for width in 4 millimeter and click or select 3-point arc. Draw from this point to this. Radius in 50. And you can do trim entities for this line. Click feature and click extrude boss or bev. Direction in blind for the height in 35 millimeter. 35 millimeter. Click OK. So we can check ini X sketch 5. Right click and click edit sketch. For the line in here, don't forget in 50. Ensure this point and this point, just click make vertical. I forget to set in here in 50. It is in 50. And for this midpoint, click this midpoint and click this point. Just click make horizontal. Here in 4 millimeter, I forget to set in 50 millimeter. The length in here. Just click exit sketch. Like this. So after we make sketch like this, just select all feature and click this icon. The color maybe in this color and click save this part 5. Just click save. So after we make sketch 1 until sketch 5, just click this and click this on and click make assembly from part or assembly. Automatically for open the document here we have part 1 until part 5. And if in here not appear, just click browse and in your file. Click Ctrl and select part 1 until part 5. Click on this. Just click left, click and click. After input all sketch in here, we can right click on first part and just click float. And in the last part in here, right click and just click fix. For background, we can change in plain white like this. Now we can to select assembly and click matte. We use standard matte in here. Click this face and this face. Just click make concentric. Just click OK. This face to this face. Just click coincident. Just click OK. And we can see in here. For this face and this face, just click make concentric. Just click OK. Then for this face, to this face, we can click on make concentric again and just click OK. Sorry, in here, this face to this face, click make concentric, click OK. And this, sorry, in here, click mate again, this face to this face, make concentric and just click OK. Click this face and select this face, click make coincident, click OK. Like this. Now we can click on this face to this face, make concentric and just click OK. For position in the middle in here, we can use advancement and click width, and width selection we can select on this face and this face with selection, and for tab selection just click on this face and this face, click OK. So automatically the pin in the center like this, click OK. Now we can to make this assembly to see explode view like this. So right click on this just click on configuration manager, right click on this and click new exploded view. So in here you can see explode step. For first step we can select for this part or part 2. For direction in here is X, Y, Z. First we can set on Z direction here. For the length direction in here, for example, you can set in 70 for Z direction. Just click done, and for a new step we can select again for this part. So we can to adjust for Y direction. For direction, for example, in here I set in 120. Click done, and now we can to another step 3. In here just select this part or part 1, direction is Y direction, for distance in 120 for example. Click done, and now we can click on for step 4 in part 3, this part direction to top like this. For example, in here I set for direction in the top distance in 55 millimeter. Click done, and the last click this and click the top. For example, in here distance in the top in 20 millimeter. Click done. Just click OK. Now we can see for exploded view like this, and we can to animate for exploded view. So right click on exploded one and animate collapse like this. It's done, and we can to right click and animate exploded like this. Yes, and we can repeat animate collapse. Okay, thank you for watching until the end video how to design this part and make a exploded view like this in SolidWorks. Thank you for watching until the end video, and see you in next tutorial. I apologize if there are any mistake or error in this tutorial. Thank you for watching the end video. See you in the next tutorial. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.